These are turbulent times in the cybersecurity space. Threats and attacks are rising exponentially. Ransomware attacks are making primetime news, and international diplomats are moving cyber warfare to the top of the priority list. The threat landscape is evolving at a breakneck speed, straining resources and costing businesses billions of dollars. Between 2021 and 2022, ransomware attacks increased 435%. The average cost of dealing with a cyber attack is $4.5 million. And 60% of all small businesses fold within 6 months of a cyber attack. Cybercrime will cost the world more than $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. These rising costs come from numerous outcomes: lost and compromised data, stolen or ransomed funds, theft of intellectual data, theft of personal data, operational downtime, forensic investigations, restoring and re-imaging hacked systems, reputational damage. As a business owner or chief executive of a business or nonprofit, the responsibility to secure and protect your business or organization's information technology systems is yours. But you are not alone. The cybersecurity professionals of IT Pros Management are here to partner with you to protect your data and IT systems from the ever-growing cybersecurity threats. IT Pros Management's cybersecurity solutions are designed to monitor, detect, prevent, and mitigate risk in your organization's IT systems. This is Cybersecurity Protection Unlimited. Our team of cybersecurity professionals are dedicated to keeping your business or nonprofit secure, operational, and productive. Our team proactively works 24/7 to monitor and protect your systems from ever-evolving cybersecurity threats. Contact us today for a free cybersecurity strategy session and keep cybersecurity threats from becoming cybersecurity catastrophes. And remember, with IT Pros, you can relax. IT is covered.